Hello, it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today what I want to do is another craft fair project idea. And this time I want to make nail file holders. I think this would be a good seller at a craft fair, and I think it would make great stocking stuffer gifts, co-worker gifts like a Secret Santa, anything like this. Great to bust through your 6x6 paper pads, and they're great mass make. So this is really a lot of things rolled into one, and they're fun and very easy to make. So let me show you what you'll need, and then I'll show you my prototypes. I could have kept going, but I was like, you got to stop sometime, okay? You need a 6x6 piece of cardstock, okay? And if you don't have the 6x6, this one I cut down to 6x6. But if you have a 6x6, that's all you need is that right there, okay? So you need your cardstock. You need whatever you want to embellish this with or to secure it to glue it together. I'm going to use this AdTech Essential Tape Runner. I also used some score tape on one of them. And then on one, I used my 2-inch scallop punch and my 1.5 scallop punch. And I used some archival ink in red geranium. And then these little embellishing crystals are always great. Just whatever you want. You'll need a paper trimmer, ruler, or your scissors, and a scoreboard, okay? And then ribbon or whatever you want. So let me move this out of the way. And let me show you my prototypes. I think these are really cute. You can decorate them as much as you want. This is the first one I made. And you can also put these down in this little pretzel rod holder if you want. You can slip them right down in here. I might, if I was going to put them in here, I might put the, can't see. Oh, it's got something sticky. I might put the bow on the outside. I don't know. Let's see if it will go in. It will. It'll go in just like that. And then you could seal it with a bow. Wouldn't that be really pretty? I just think it's cute. Or you could put the bow on the outside. Okay, so that's just an idea. But here, this was 6x6 paper that I used, and I just went to Walmart and got some of these Equate nail files. You got 6 to a pack, but if you're going to a craft fair, I'll see what I can find on Amazon. I'll link everything in the description box below that I can find. And then I just put this little pretty little gingerbread girl on here and these little stones. I think they're so pretty, okay? And then your nail file slides in and out, okay? Double-sided paper is great. You don't have to have double-sided paper. And here's the back. Now, here is this one. You can see how cute it is. I just changed it up a little bit. You can make them as fancy or as not fancy as you want. Now, this one I forgot to glue right there, okay? And then here is this one. Look how cute these are. I love them. Like I said, great stocking stuffer gifts or co-worker gifts. And I really think they would sell really good at a craft fair. Okay, so, all right, so you get you a 6x6 piece of paper. That's why I said if you have 6x6 paper pads and you just want to punch through them and use them up, this is a great way to do it, okay? So what you do is you get your paper, and I'm going to flip it over like this. Now, if you have directional paper, make sure you put it in correctly to score, okay? And we're going to score at 1.5, 3, and 4.5. And that is all the scoring you do. It could not be any easier, any quicker. Now we're going to burnish our score lines. There's so many of these out there on the internet that people have made. All right, now after you burnish everything, put it towards you and take this right corner, and you want to bring it to the score line, not on it, okay? Just to it. And we're going to burnish it down. All right. There's that one. Now we're going to the left corner, and we're going to take it into the second score line about halfway down. Like I said, to the score line, but not on it. Okay, and then bottom left corner, we're going to do the same thing we did there. This is so easy. And I would think you could get $1.50 to $2 out of these. I don't know. All right, now we're going to fold it up and glue it. It's really simple. Fold in, fold in. Okay, so what I want to do, like I said, I'm going to get my little glue runner. I'm going to put, let me get a piece of paper to put under here. Okay, I'm going to put some glue there, some glue there. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some glue here, here, and right there. Then we're going to fold this in and then fold that. And that is all you do. And there is your adorable little nail file holder. I mean, it, like I said, is so simple. Oh my gosh, don't blink. All right, and for this one, I don't know, maybe I'll put this one in because it's kind of got some red. I mean, you could get just a certain color if you wanted, but I think it's kind of neat having different colors in there. I think it's really cute. Okay, now we're going to embellish it, so I'm going to take this out. And what I was thinking I would do for this one, I don't know. I have a couple options. I could take this large scallop punch and punch out my paper. I think I will do white with this one. If I do this, I don't know. I'm looking for options, okay? And then I think these stickers are really cute. But then I have these stickers too. Just that car would be cute. Festive wishes would be cute. And Maggie is barking at something. That would be really cute. It's vibrant. Let's see. That would be pretty. Tree's too big. Sleigh's too big. He's too big. Let me go see what Maggie's barking at. All right, she was barking at something. I'm not really sure what, okay? So, and you don't necessarily have to seal the bottoms because now, if I was going to sell these, I think maybe I didn't put enough the tape runner on there. But this one, I used score tape, and it's sealed very well. Now, this one, I didn't seal, and this one, I didn't seal. So, I don't think they would come out. It just depends on what you want to do, okay? So, I could do one of those. I could just put... that's not my favorite. I could put maybe that there, put him on top. That's kind of cute. I could do that. That's cute too. So many possibilities. Okay, what do I like the best? All right, let's, or you could stamp like I did with this one, okay? And this one is just a sticker as well. So it's totally up to you what you do. Okay. I could just put that on there, but he's cute, but I think he needs a little something. That's really cute. That's really cute. I wish you all could help me decide. That's cute, but I think it's a little plain. Festive wishes, let it snow. It's cute. All right, I think it's going to be one of these two. Do I want the little gingerbread guy? This little bear's really cute too. I think the bear kind of fits better. But he's so cute. I think I'm going to go with this guy. Don't ask me why. I just decided. You can embellish them however you want. They're really so easy to do. Okay. All right. Now, let's try our best. Let's see how I want it. I think I want him like that. Okay. Then we'll put some of this. I don't know how well I like this tape runner since I've been using it for a bit. I think I'm not using enough. I think that's my problem. I think if I used enough, it would stick right where I wanted it. Okay, let's put you right there. Pop our little nail file down in there, and look how cute. And if you wanted, let's see what it would look like in one of these little pretzel bags. Look how cute. And you could tie something right around the top. Let's do that. Let's put this twine. Not even going to make it really, you could put a bow, you know, if you wanted, out of a ribbon, but I'm just going to do this. Tighten up that. Cut that off. Let's take a look at them. Okay, take a look at these adorable nail file holders. Like I've said, great craft fair project ideas, Secret Santa gifts, stocking stuffers. Possibilities are absolutely endless. If you go get your nails done, this would be a cute gift to give to your nail tech, okay? I do my own nails, but just saying, okay? So here is this prototype. Isn't it cute? I love it. You can make them as elegant as you want or as simple as you want. You can put them in these little pretzel rod packs or not. And look at this. I just think this really adds a lot. And this one is really cute too. Look at that. They're cute from any direction. And then if you want to package them up, look how adorable this is. Who would not want to receive this? I think a lot of times it's the thought that counts. So if you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make nail file holders, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.